Hi, sixth grade scientists. I'm Miss Kimball, and I have the pleasure of introducing your planet comparison project using Flipgrid. Yes, are we excited? Yay! So, I know some of you guys are familiar with Flipgrid and using it in your other classes. However, I know some of you aren't, but that's okay because I got your back. Now, you guys will be given a link or a code by your awesome science teacher that will allow you to go straight into Flipgrid to record your video. Now you guys will be comparing Earth to your favorite planet. So I like to call it Battle of the Planets. So as we can see here, you guys will have your topic once you're given the link and or code. We're going to click topic. And so you will be given instructions by your teacher, and make sure you follow all instructions. We want you to do well on this project. So as you can see here, I have a little short description of everything that you guys will have to include in your project. We're going to scroll down, and here you will be able to record your response. Now I would strongly recommend you have your rubric by you as well as all your resources for your project. Now I know some of you are asking, what does Miss Kimball mean by resources? Again, I got your back. So we're going to pull up the resources that we were able to have for our project. So I know many of you guys have explored this cool NASA website. And up here where we have planets, where you got all your fun facts, all your information, using the website. So that's one resource. You also had, let's pull it up, textbook. So we had our terrestrial planets, our reading, and we got a lot of our information from for our graphic organizer there as well. And then we also talked about our gas giants. Love those gas giants. By the way, guys, my favorite planet is Saturn. Love Saturn because of the rings. I like the bling. But yes, so we have terrestrial planets, we have our gas giant planets, we have our NASA website, and the most important document that's really going to help you get through this project and be successful would be your planet graphic organizer. You have all the information in one place. Everything you need for your project. The diameter, the type of atmosphere, the distance from the sun, does it support life, why or why not, the surface features, the moons, and 3 fun facts. So again, guys, I strongly suggest that you make sure you pay attention to your rubric, you have your graphic organizer, as well as all the resources, and you know what? Just have fun with it. This project is for you, and we want you guys to be successful. Bye, guys.